In this video, we're going to show you how to install your Timbren SES suspension enhancement system on your new 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. Check this out. Most of the Toyota Tacomas that are coming off the line right now are all equipped with coil spring suspension. And this is really good news for you because it means that you're going to have a really nice, smooth ride quality every day of the week. The one downside to that coil spring, however, is that it doesn't perform very well when it comes time to tow. In fact, you're going to notice a lot of suspension sag. That's what we're going to solve in this video with a Timbren SES suspension enhancement system. Installing a Timbren SES suspension enhancement system on your 4th gen Toyota Tacoma is going to transform the ride quality, because each one of these are equipped with patented AEON rubber spring technology. What that means for you is the more weight you put in your Tacoma, whether that's from a trailer or something in the bed of the truck, the more these work to keep your vehicle level, give you more stability control when you're behind the wheel, and keep your ride smooth every time that you need to tow and haul. This is an extremely simple kit for you to install. You're going to be able to do this in your driveway with a few simple tools. Here's what you're going to need to do. First, you're going to need to remove the rear wheel and tires. Then, using a 12mm socket and a ratchet, remove the 3 bolts holding on the factory OEM bump stops. Don't throw out the factory bolts though, because we're going to need those to install the Timbren SES mounting bracket. Assemble the SES kit using supplied bolts, the supplied nut, a 9/16 socket, socket extension, an Allen key, and a ratchet wrench. Depending on your Tacoma's trim level, you may need to use the supplied spacer to make sure that your Timbren SES kit properly sits 1 inch away from the axle when your truck is empty. Now, hand tighten the Timbren kit to your frame using the 3 12mm bolts you had previously removed. Now you're ready to tighten everything up. Repeat the process on the other side and then reinstall your rear wheels and tires. Lastly, ensure that your Timbren SES kit sits roughly 1 inch away from your axle when your Tacoma is unloaded. Now your Tacoma is ready to tow. Every Timbren SES kit comes with a 100-day money-back guarantee and a no BS lifetime warranty. If you've got any questions about a Timbren SES kit for your Toyota Tacoma, head on over to Timbren.com, reach out to our customer service. We'd love to answer your questions. Until next time, we'll see you out there.